Guys, we're doing pulled pork on my Weber Kettle using that Slow N Sear. Coming up. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, the bell next to it. You get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today? Well, we are going to have a blowout barbecue weekend this weekend for my birthday, which is tomorrow, Saturday the 6th. So you'll see this on Sunday the 7th. So make sure you put a bunch of belated happy birthdays in there for me. But I'm doing some pulled pork tonight, gonna let it slow smoke and then wrap it, you know, do the dang thing. We're doing sweet heat today. So we got a little Hoisin sauce and we got a little Sriracha on there as the schmear, the binder. All right, and then we're using some of JP BBQ's sweet heat on there. When we wrap it, we're gonna use pineapple juice just to help it braise and tighten up in there and make it real good. All right, so this is gonna take a bit. So I'll show you how we set up the kettle. We got the Slow N Sear all ready to go. We're using apple wood in there. This is gonna turn out amazing. Got a house full of kids. They're all being really nice and quiet behind me. Thank you, kids. All right. All right, so let's get started. I'll bring you over the kettle and we'll start. Listen, don't ever have kids. Guys, we'll get you on the kettle. Come on back. All right, guys, we got this set up already. There goes Brady. We have a backyard full of kids, so sorry if you hear some background noise. We have chunks of applewood in here. We're gonna get this thing started. We've got a haystack in the corner. All right, we're gonna let that catch for a bit, and then we'll get some water in that trough. Okay, guys, you get a little water in the trough. Slow N Sear working. Let's get these pork butts on the grill. We're doing fat side up. Smack them butts. Trying to form them in the shape that we want them to cook. Make sure there's enough room in between. Let's get these things capped. We got a long cook ahead of us. One last thing, we'll get a probe in there. These are the kids that will not be quiet while I shoot.
I was quiet. I was.
Which one was quiet?
Huh? I was.
Brady?
Avery was making me laugh. Avery was doing stuff.
We're about 2 hours in. Looking pretty moist, but I'm still gonna spritz it. Got a little pineapple juice in here. Keep this nice and moist. Figured the pineapple juice will go good with the sweet heat vibe we got going on in there. We're temping at almost 100 degrees right now. We let another little apple wood chunk burn up. And right about that time, we should be ready to wrap these bad boys. And we're just gonna wrap them with little pineapple juice. Again, keeping that sweet heat thing going on. As we are about as maxed out and barked out as we can go. It's about 165 right now. So we are gonna wrap these bad boys. All right, guys, we're gonna get these pork butts wrapped up. Sorry about the wind chimes. We're gonna seal up the sides real good. I have liners underneath these gloves. I do not recommend grabbing the pork butts off the grill without having protective gear on. Okay, we just got our spritz, so we're gonna pour the rest of that in there. All right, let it go through to the bottom. I'm gonna effectively braise these for the rest of the night. We're gonna double wrap it. We'll get these back on the kettle, put the probe back in it, and we'll pull it about 205, 206. I'm gonna get the other one done. Come on back. It's going in like butter, baby. Let's check the other one. Like butter, baby. Like sugar, honey. 204. Yeah, I'm okay with that. It's probing tender. Let's take these off and we're gonna let them rest. We're done. It's been resting for both of these pork butts have been resting for about a half hour, 45 minutes. So let's get these peeled out of these. Ooh, look at that. That's some decent bark right there. Let's look at the other one. I'm gonna take these out of the tin foil and shred them up in this pan. So we're gonna pull these in the juices in here. All right, and guys, again, I have liners on the gloves. Do not do this without having protection on your hands. All right, so let's just start peeling this apart. All right, so we got some good smoke ring right there. It's looking good. Maybe you hear Charlie in the background. Yeah. Well, that's looking good, boys and girls. All right, so let's peel out in this one. Steam. You know, pork facial. Look at that. That bark is just tremendous. Let's get in there. Be nasty with it. All right, let's try a little bite. And then I'm gonna end this video because I got more pulling to do. Look at that. All right. It's good stuff, boys and girls. Listen, I'm gonna keep working on this. It's really good. I'm gonna keep working on this. You guys, make sure you tune in next time for the next video. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping by.